Hey, what's up everybody, it's your boy Joker God back with another video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get a voice changer. So, what you gotta do is you gotta have like a, any kind of web browser, preferably Google Chrome. You wanna go to voicemod.net. It's a real-time voice changer. This is only for PC, mobile if you know how to use it. It's only mobile for iOS. Voicemod transfer works with VRChat, Discord, Overwatch, Fortnite, PUBG, Skype, CS:GO. Use it for April Fool's Day or Halloween pranks too. So you want to click hit get Voicemod for free, only for 64-bit PCs. Only Windows 7, 8, and 10. So once you have gotten it, it should download, accept everything that shows up, and then you should get this, the Voicemod app. Now you might not be able to hear it from my side, but if you play a game, then it might work. There's 8 different voices, 8 different free voices every day, unless you get the pro version, which is $10 3 months, or like $9 in 3 months. So once you have figured out the voice that you want, you just click on it. And there is like background effects too. I have background effects right here, and then voice changers on, and then hear myself. You want to click hear yourself if it's working. So if it is working, don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace out.